Hi, I'm Leiza, and welcome to The Week That Was, a 60-second look at what happened this past week at SJIIES. Start the clock. Monday, we're back. All grade 2 to 6 students turned up first thing looking keen and ready to go. Everyone gathered for a first Monday morning assembly before heading off to their new classes to start another busy year of learning. Also, on Monday, the early years teachers started the year with parent-teacher conferences so they could get to know a little bit more about the students joining them this year. Tuesday, it was the turn of our grade 1s to begin 2019. Wednesday, the last of our students, the Prep 1 and 2, started their year. Thursday was fairly quiet as far as events go, but that meant everyone could get on and enjoy the opportunity to settle into their new routines. On Friday, there was a parent-teacher coffee morning, along with our first Friday assembly presented by the vice principals, and featuring ESTV's first video of the year. This was followed later that afternoon by a combined elementary, high school, school staff barbecue, which was a great way to end the first week back. On behalf of the Week That Was team, I'm Leiza, and we'll see you again next week.